Hello. Here, I show you the work for a German woman who gave us her Vuitton trunk. You can see that the monogram is faded on the right side of the trunk and on the left side as well. The canvas is loose. There are splits in the wood. There are holes in the lining. The brass is tarnished. The wood is broken in two places on the top of the trunk. So, I wanted to comment on this work, because it is really what we love to do, what we know how to do, and it is a job that took us roughly 40 hours for two people, step by step. I think that, for example, Mark did an extraordinary job on the touch-ups. So, I'll leave you with the result.